Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are most definitely welcome. And if today is your first time seeing my beautiful face, you are most definitely welcome. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful look. It's actually made with a lace closure and 2 bundles of kinky straight. So guys, it's very easy. Looking at the hair, you find out that it's really very soft, looking more natural like my own hair. So guys, if you think this video is going to be helpful to you, please keep watching and don't go nowhere. Be sure to subscribe, share to your friends and family, okay? And I'll see you right after the intro. Keep watching. Using 2 bundles of kinky straight 14 inches and a 14 inches closure from Dreams Hair Extensions. We also need glue gun, we need needle with a thread, so I'm going to be using that just for the closure. We need scissors, kick up. We also need T-pins, guys. So here I have the dome cap on the mannequin head. You can see it's well laid flat, and the closure, I'll place it on the mannequin head. I already clipped it up in order to make way for me when I start sewing. So here you can see I have laid it flat and I want to begin sewing now. So all you need to do is just secure it with the pins. Make sure it's in the middle. If you want a center pattern, align it properly, and there you go. So we'll start by sewing this first part, and when I'm done, I'm going to be sewing the other part, but I'll be giving you guys a close-up of what I did on this part on the other side. Okay guys, so keep watching. So I'm done with this part, so it's time to sew on the other side. So I'll be showing you guys a close-up of this part, okay? So let's go. So over here guys, as you can see, I am done, and you can see the closure is laying really flat. So I'll be starting with my first bundle here from the back, and I'm using the hot glue method. So here I am just gonna lay flat the weft onto the dome cap, and I'll keep doing this until I get to the top guys. It's just a one-way free thing. You just keep putting the glue on the dome cap, and you keep laying the weft and all the way to the top. So keep watching. So guys, I'm done with the first bundle, so I'll be starting off with the second bundle guys. So all I'll just do is just place the glue on the cap and lay the weft on it and continue my way up, and that's it. So let's go. And yeah guys, I'm done making the wig, and so I'll just go ahead and cut off the excess lace and then style it and wear it for you guys to see. So I'll be doing the styling off camera and I'll be back. So I went ahead to add elastic band to it. I like my wig very flat, so with the elastic band it helps the closure lay flat on your head. Yes guys, so this is how it turned out guys. If you think you like this video and it's really helpful, please leave me a like and also subscribe, share to your friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. So stay blessed and stay fit. Bye for now and stay blessed.